Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to clone a GitHub repository. To clone a GitHub repository, you need to install git bash. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. Simply type here git bash. It will be your very first website, so simply click on it. And here you will find the download link. You simply need to download it and install it on your PC. I have already created a video on it. Link of that video will be in the description. After installation, you can clone any GitHub repository. I have this open source one in front of me, which is faker.js. Now to clone this one, I need to click here on the code. Then I need to copy this link. To copy it, I need to click here, copy. Now I need a empty folder. So here I have the empty folder. I simply need to right click here. Then click on git bash here. Now here I need to type git clone and paste what I have copied. Now hit the enter key. You can see now it's cloning and we are done. Now you can close it, check the folder and you will find all the files. So I hope you understood how to clone a GitHub repository. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.